Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the pressure switch assembly in your washer. The reason why you might have to do this is because the water level that you're getting is not correct, or because your water is overflowing out of the tub. For this repair, we'll be using a 1/4" nut driver, a 5/16 nut driver, a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a pair of needle nose pliers. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the washer we'll be using in this demonstration. It's an Amana, and yours might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. We're going to have to turn our washer around. So in order to get the control console off, we're going to have to undo 4 screws. We've got these 2 screws up here, and then 2 screws that are inside right there. We're going to start with our 1/4" nut driver, and we're going to remove this screw here. Now I'm going to use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the other 2 screws. There we go. And these screws actually don't come out of there. They kind of just stay right there. Now that those screws are out, what we can do is push our console forward and just lean it down now. So these 2 pieces here, as well as the hose, are what consist of our pressure switch assembly. And in order to remove that, we're going to unplug it first. We'll plug this side here, and it's just pulling the wires straight out. And same thing on this side, just pulling the wires straight out. There we go. Now what we need to do is at the base of each of these, there's going to be a small tab that locks in. We're just going to use our flathead screwdriver to lift up on that tab. Then you're going to twist the entire assembly and make sure you take your knobs off, and once you got the knob off, you pull it straight off. So on this side, we'll take our knob off first, and we'll use our screwdriver and lift up on the tab, then we can twist it and lift the assembly out. So now you can see on this side, our hose is attached right here to this clip. So what we're going to do from the other side is we're going to use a pair of needle nose pliers, and we're just going to pinch that clip so it fits right through the hole. Now we have to undo our retaining clips. So we're just using a flathead screwdriver. We're pulling that forward until the clip comes out. And then we're just going to take the clip, set it off to the side. Same thing on this side, just pulling forward on the clip with our screwdriver, and then we can set it off to the side. So the next thing we have to do in order to get the back panel off is we're going to take our 5/16" nut driver, and we're going to unscrew. There's just 2 screws at the very bottom. And once we've removed those screws, the back panel will come off, and we're not going to pull it off all the way, but we're going to pull it off just enough so that we can get in on the side here. So you can see that the pressure tube goes all the way down here and it connects to the tub. So I'm going to use my flathead screwdriver, and right in here I can unclip that piece of plastic that holds the tube on, and now I can just pull straight up and disconnect the tube from the tub. There we go. And now you'll see right here the tube is clipped in there, and all we need to do is just feed it up through, and you can just pull it up by hand. And now we can remove our old pressure switch assembly. Now you can grab your new pressure switch assembly. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So I'm just going to set our assembly down here real quick, and we're going to start by hooking up the hose. So we're going to slide that down through this clip here, and we're going to feed it all the way down, and I'm going to connect it to the tub right here, that little nozzle, so that just pushes straight down on there. And then I want to clip it back into place on the tub here, and I'm just going to give myself a little bit of slack up top. Now I'm going to reattach the back panel, and you're just going to want to lift it up, and the water inlet siphon, just going to make sure you're just putting that up above the tub. So now when we put the back panel back on, you're just going to want to make sure that this metal piece is in front, while these tabs that stick back go into the back and sit on the support there, and line up everything as best as possible. So once everything's lined up, your screw hole should line up as well, and we can screw it back in. That one. Now I'm going to put these clips back into place. That just locks into there, and you push straight down and it snaps into place. Same thing on this side. We're just going to put that tab into the slot and then line up the clip and push it down in place. So now we're going to take our assembly. We've got the knob on this side, so we're going to put that through the middle hole over here, and we're going to put that in at about 45 and then twist it into place until that little clip snaps into place there. Now we can plug it in, and we can put our knob on. Okay. And same thing with this side. We're just putting this in at about a 45-degree angle and twisting it until it snaps into place. Right there. And we can put the knob on. Okay. And the last thing we're going to do is we've got this clip from the old hose, so we're going to attach that right there and slide that down and push it in to the back, and that'll hold it in place from being in the way. And now we can put the console back on. Now we're going to put our console back into place, and we're going to slide the top over the metal here, just like that. And you're going to want to make sure that the straps are on the outside so you can screw them back in. As you do this, you're also going to want to make sure that the clips on the bottom of the console are inside the bottom holes right here. Now we can screw everything back in. There we go. And once you've got those screwed in, you can turn everything back around, plug it back in, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.